The quantum lens. In the heart of Silicon Valley, a tech startup named Prism Dynamics unveiled its latest creation, the quantum lens, a sleek, wearable device no larger than a contact lens. It promised a leap into the future, harnessing quantum computing to revolutionize how people perceive and interact with reality. The lens worked seamlessly with the brain's neural signals, allowing the user to access a personalized augmented reality (AR) layer overlaying the physical world. It didn't just enhance vision, it provided real-time solutions to complex problems. Need to solve an engineering equation? The lens displayed holographic solutions. Lost in a new city? The streets transformed into a glowing pathway guiding you home. And for those who sought creative inspiration, the lens could generate stunning visualizations based on thought prompts alone. Unlike traditional AR devices, the quantum lens wasn't just a tool, it was a companion. Its AI, Iris, evolved with each user, learning preferences, habits, and even subtle emotional cues. Iris would suggest calming scenery during stressful times, highlight long-lost constellations in the night sky, or dim distracting visuals during deep focus. But the breakthrough came with its quantum core. By leveraging the power of quantum entanglement, the lens could synchronize with others in real time, no matter the distance. A surgeon in Tokyo could guide a trainee in London with precision as if they were in the same room. Families separated by continents could share experiences as though standing side by side. It wasn't just a device, it was a portal to collective connectivity. However, as with all groundbreaking technology, the quantum lens raised ethical questions. Who controlled the data it gathered? Could its immersive capabilities blur the line between reality and illusion? Prism Dynamics assured the world that stringent safeguards were in place, but skeptics remained wary. For its debut, Prism Dynamics invited a select audience to a grand demonstration. The CEO, Elena Torres, stepped onto the stage wearing the lens. With a simple blink, the audience's view transformed. They saw a barren desert morph into a lush rainforest, complete with chirping birds and rustling leaves. She then demonstrated a practical use, translating a Mandarin-speaking guest's words into English subtitles that appeared in real time above their head. The crowd erupted in applause, marveling at the possibilities. The quantum lens was more than a product. It was a vision of what humanity could achieve when imagination met quantum precision. Yet, as Elena gazed at the crowd, she couldn't shake a thought that Iris had whispered earlier. Every tool reshapes its creator. Are we ready for the transformation?